Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how you give yourself ranks or how to make role yourself in Discord. So let's go to Discord first. After that you have to go choose your server and click on your server here. Then go server settings. After that go to roles. Then you can see here different type of roles. You have to create a new role to give yourself rank or role, like moderator, and you can color it any color. You can do this, or if you want custom color like this red color, you can do this too. You can choose any image, or if you I'm not choosing right now, but you can choose this. Then display this role from online members. Okay, so now click on save changes. After clicking on save changes, a moderator role, you have given yourself a moderator role or rank yourself as a moderator. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.